Bub, are you not coming? Jeez. Louise. Julie Louise Dreyfus. What are you doing? Jeez Louise. Vámonos. Bub, come on. We've been out here forever. Hey, yo. Jesus, if I don't have to come, I'm not going to be coming. I'll just come on here and smelling. Bubby? We've already been outside and inside once today, and now we're back outside again because earlier it was raining and Charlie got mad, so he's already had his cheats. And so I don't want to give him more, so I'm not offering that. So this is the point in time where I might have to go and physically pick him up and bring him inside. Chiggy's like, well, she's not really demanding I go inside, so maybe I can just spend some more time out here. Cause I know what you do. Cause I know what you do. I know what you do, 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 what you do. What are you doing with that little tail? It's a cute little tail you got right there. How about this guy? Bub, show everybody how dirty your pantaloons are. Bub, show everybody how dirty the pantaloons. There we go. Bub, the pantaloons on the one side, very dirty. Very dirty. They're wet, actually, more than dirty, but... Bub, what's up there? Bub, we need to go inside. Because I need to get to work. Bub, we've been out here for too long, serious. Get it. Hi. How you do? How you do? How you do? Hi, babies. Whoa. Gus, I think I just saw my first mosquito, which is an indication that we should go inside. It's like, I'm in accordance. Let's go. Bub, let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Are you coming? Come on, let's go. Bub, you want some greenies? Greenies? Let's go. God, you're such a pig. Thanks, buddy. Jiminy Christmas. Thank you.